Good morning. So this is a very early morning ride. It's around 6:30 a.m. and hopefully we get a good sunrise pictures, and it's pretty cold out here. So we are moving from the hotel to पीछे से गड्डी आ रही है. What a beautiful sight this is. Early morning from our hotel, just to see if we can get some good morning pictures. क्या ना आप देख रहे हैं, ओह काफी बड़ा है. So here it is, the massive, gigantic statue of salute to the great man, and what a beautiful sight this is. Come here, riding all the way from Mumbai, and sunrise is just coming over, you can see, and the sunrise is falling on the statue. Beautiful sight. And here हमारा धोबी आया.